In this video, we have been given a semicircle inside a rectangle and BQ is 1, BS is 3, then we have to find area of ABCD. So ABCD, it is a rectangle that means these angles they will be 90 degrees, and we have semicircle that means PQ, it will be diameter, and now in any circle diameter makes an angle of 90 degrees on the circle, and here we know that PQ is a diameter and angle PAQ is 90 degrees. So if we complete the circle, then it will pass through point A, and now suppose AB is A and BC is B, then in any circle from any point P, if AB is a chord and PT is tangent, then PA times PB, it is equal to PT square. So here from point B, BQ times BA, BQ times BA, it will be equal to BS square, and BQ is 1 times BA is A, it is equal to BS is 3 square. So A, it will be 9, we get A is 9, and now suppose the center of the circle is O, then OP, it will be equal to OQ, it will be equal to OS, that will be radius. OP, it will be equal to OQ, it will be equal to OS, that will be radius. And in any circle, radius and tangent, they are perpendicular on each other. So OS, it will be perpendicular on BC, and from point P, if we make a perpendicular on BC, suppose this point is T, then PT, it will be equal to AB, and AB is A, that is 9. So PT, it is 9, and now O is midpoint of PQ. So OS, it will be PT plus QB over 2, and OS, it is equal to PT is 9 plus QB is 1 over 2, and OS, it is 10 over 2, that will be 5. So radius, it is 5, and now suppose this point is M, then OM, it will be radius, that is 5. OM, it will be 5, and again in any circle, radius and tangent, they are perpendicular on each other. So OM, it will be perpendicular on CD, and now BC, it will be BS plus SC, and BC, it is equal to BS plus SC, it will be equal to OM, and BC is B, it is equal to BS is 3 plus OM is 5, that will be 8. So B, it is 8, and now area of ABCD, it will be AB times BC, and AB is A times BC is B and A is 9 times B is 8. That will be 72. So it is 72.